Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the system. Power down and unplug everything, then connect only the amplifier to mains. Use a test cable and leave inputs disconnected to determine if the hum is internal or from sources. Measure chassis to ground voltage with a multimeter. This tells you whether a ground potential difference exists. Once you know the hum appears with open inputs, you focus on grounding rather than components. Make sure to document which configuration produced the loudest hum before changing wiring. Now you trace the loop. Reconnect each source one at a time while listening. When hum returns, you found the path creating a ground loop between devices. Fix it by implementing a single point or star ground at the amplifier chassis so every ground reference meets at one spot. This eliminates circulating currents. If devices share different earth potentials, switch to balanced inputs, XLR, or insert a galvanic isolation transformer on the signal line to break the loop. These steps remove the finish by tightening and securing all ground connections. Poor lugs or loose screws reintroduce noise. Reroute power and signal cables so they cross at right angles rather than run parallel, which reduces induced hum. Once done, test with all gear connected. If a problem remains, momentarily try a ground lift on the signal path to confirm a ground loop cause, but don't leave a lift in place permanently. If lift kills hum, implement proper isolation or professional earth remediation as the permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.